In today's fast-paced world, staying healthy often means being able to blend your favorite smoothies, shakes, and juices wherever you are. This Cokunst 18oz portable blender offers a compact, travel-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on performance. With its powerful 6-blade design, large capacity, and USB rechargeable battery, this personal blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your active lifestyle. If you've been searching for a blender that delivers convenience without sacrificing quality, Cokunst Portable Blender may just be what you need. Whether you're at the gym, heading to work, or spending a day at the beach, this blender is engineered to keep up with your busy life. In this review, we'll explore the features, benefits, and what sets the Cokunst 18oz portable blender apart from other options on the market. Let's blend into it. The first thing that sets the Cokunst portable blender apart from the competition is its 6 ultra-sharp 304 stainless steel blades. These blades are designed to spin at an impressive 22,000 RPM, ensuring that even tough ingredients like frozen fruit, ice, and leafy greens are blended to a smooth consistency in seconds. Whether you're whipping up a protein shake or a fruity smoothie, this portable blender is more than capable of handling the task. Unlike many portable blenders that struggle with larger chunks or fibrous ingredients, Cokunst Portable Blender powers through with ease. The high-speed rotation ensures that your ingredients are thoroughly blended, giving you a consistent, lump-free drink every time. This performance is especially impressive for such a compact device, making it a go-to option for blending on the go. Despite its compact size, Cokunst Portable Blender boasts an impressive 18 ounces, 530 milliliters capacity, making it larger than many other portable blenders on the market. This means you can make a full smoothie or shake in one go, without the need to blend multiple batches. The larger capacity is ideal for those who want to create more substantial drinks or share their smoothie with a friend. It's also a great option if you prefer to make thicker blends, as the extra space in the cup allows for better mixing without overflow. The size strikes a perfect balance between portability and practicality, offering enough volume to satisfy your blending needs without being cumbersome to carry around. One of the standout features of the Cokunst Portable Blender is its USB rechargeable battery. This feature makes it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. Whether you're traveling, at work, or out camping, you can recharge the blender using any USB port, be it your laptop, power bank, or car charger. A fully charged battery can power through multiple blending sessions, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of your day. The USB rechargeability is a game changer for those who live an active lifestyle, as it eliminates the need for power outlets and makes the blender truly portable. The battery indicator lights are another thoughtful touch, allowing you to easily monitor how much charge is left. Each indicator light represents 25% battery life, so you always know when it's time to recharge. Safety is always a priority when it comes to blenders, especially portable ones. The Cokunst Portable Blender incorporates magnetic induction technology, ensuring that the blades only spin when the bottle and base are properly aligned and securely tightened. This prevents any accidental starts, reducing the risk of spills or injury. This innovative technology not only makes the blender safer to use, but also enhances its overall functionality. You can blend with confidence, knowing that the blender will only operate when everything is in place. This feature makes the Cokunst Blender a reliable option for both adults and kids who want to enjoy fresh homemade smoothies on the go. The Cokunst Portable Blender is designed with ease of use in mind. Its one-touch operation makes blending a breeze. Just double-click the button, and within 30 seconds, you'll have a delicious smoothie or shake ready to enjoy. The simplicity of this design is perfect for busy individuals who don't have time for complicated controls or settings. The same easy operation applies to cleaning the blender. After use, just add water and double-click the button for an automatic cleaning cycle. This self-cleaning function takes the hassle out of maintenance, ensuring that your blender is always ready for the next use without requiring extensive scrubbing. The Cokunst Portable Blender is designed to be your perfect travel companion. With its anti-slip lanyard and compact design, this blender can be carried anywhere, from your daily outings to your gym sessions or camping trips. The blender is light and portable, making it easy to throw into your bag and take with you wherever you go. The added extra handle lid enhances its portability, turning the blender into a convenient, spill-proof container for your drinks. This is especially useful when you're on the move and need a reliable way to carry your freshly blended smoothie without worrying about leaks. The compact size doesn't compromise on power, making this portable blender a must-have for those who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle on the go. Whether you're at the beach, in the office, or hitting the gym, the Cokunst portable blender ensures that you can always enjoy fresh, nutritious drinks no matter where you are. Why choose the Cokunst portable blender? If you're in the market for a personal blender that combines power, portability, and convenience, Cokunst portable blender checks all the boxes. Here's why it's worth considering. 1. Powerful 6-blade design. Ultra-sharp blades and high-speed motor ensure smooth, consistent blends even with tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. 2. Large capacity. 18 ounces jar offers plenty of space for full-sized smoothies and shakes, making it more practical than many other portable blenders. 3. USB rechargeable. The convenience of USB charging allows you to use the blender anywhere, without the need for a power outlet. 4. Magnetic induction technology. This safety feature ensures the blender only operates when everything is properly aligned, preventing accidents and spills. 5. One-touch operation. Blending and cleaning are made simple with a one-touch control system, perfect for busy lifestyles. The Cokunst portable blender is an excellent choice for anyone who values convenience without sacrificing performance. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle, offering the perfect blend of portability and power in a sleek, user-friendly packet. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.